Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside my $1,100 Robinhood portfolio. I'll show you what positions I sold, what positions I've added to my portfolio, and how much dividends I've made for the month of March. And it starts right now. So as you can see, the portfolio has been doing rather well. I'm up $1,123.89. Now, in the past week, I'm up almost $15, 1.34%. In 1 month, I am up $16.52, or 1.5%. In 3 months, I'm up $69.78, or 6.5%. And in 1 year, I am still up almost 11%, which is $109.82. Now, all in all, since the very beginning, a lot of my subscribers that have been watching this channel for a while know that I've got this account up to $1,000 twice already. So it's been really exciting. If you haven't watched the first series, I go from $0 from signing up with the free share to $1,000 in only 32 weeks. It's a great little series of videos. Check it out. I give you a weekly update during my series that I made, showing you positions I sold, bought in. I do a lot of swing trading, dividend capturing, and stuff like that in the series. Now, for this series, I again started with about $30 in my account because I took out the majority of the money that I had made in Robinhood and put it into another investment. And I'll have another video about that later. But for now, I had $30 in this account and I've grown it to $1,123. Now, I have been putting money into it. I put about $100 into it either once a week or once every couple weeks, just depending on how the month is with my passive incomes and bills, stuff like that. So it's really awesome that I've been able to make 64% in total, which is $439 since August 11th, 2017. So we're going on a year and a half, and I've already grown this account technically to $2,000. Now, let's get into how I've been able to grow this account. I wanted to show you guys some proof before we get into my portfolio, because it is to some a little bit risky and to others a very smart portfolio. But hey, I'll let you guys decide what you think on your own. My portfolio is mostly based on REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Most of them pay 90% of their earnings to shareholders, which is incredible. A lot of them pay monthly dividends. So I've been gaining quite a few shares of monthly paying stocks as well as quarterly paying stocks. Alright, so let's go over some of the stocks in my portfolio. I set this up to show you my largest holding in my portfolio down to the smallest holding. The one with the most equity all the way down to the one with the least equity. Now, PepsiCo is my largest holding right now in my portfolio. It is ticker symbol PEP, and I have one share at an average cost of $116 with a total return of $6.20. I did pick up 2 shares of Coca-Cola at $45. Pfizer, PFE, I have 2 shares of them. I'm down about 50 cents. Abbott, ABT, I have 1 share of them, and as you can see, I'm up almost $5. Realty Income O, I got that company at $65. I'm up $8 in appreciation and get a monthly dividend from that company of 23 cents. Iron Mountain, or IRM, I got in at 2 shares, average cost of $35.89, down slightly, almost $1. And we'll get into dividends here in a second. We'll just briefly go through these stocks and I'll jump over to dividends. Gladstone Investments, I have 6 shares of them, up $1.50. INTC, or Intel, this is actually my only technology stock I have. I'm down about 14 cents. I was gonna start diversifying a little bit into other companies when they are, good buy point. General Mills, I am up $8.29. Great company to get involved with. I got in at a good point with that company. Hartford Financial, up $3. LTC Properties, up $2.38. Brookfield Infrastructure, up 10 cents. Main Street Capital, up about 30 cents. Store Capital, up $2. Stag Industrial, up 3 cents. Starwood Property Trust, $1.36. Apollo Commercial Real Estate, Gladstone Capital, AGNC Investments, Ladder Capital, New Residential Investments, up $1.50 on there. Umpqua, I'm down about $1.77. Apple, APLE, I'm up 62 cents. BRT Apartments, Whitestone REIT, and Calamos Convertible High Yield. So those are the companies that I have in my portfolio. For all of you who just wanted to check that out, I have 99.52% of in stocks and options, and my cash is at $5.40 right now. Most of that's in dividends. So let's go ahead and get into dividends. That's why we like watching this series, right, guys? Get those dividends. Let's go to history here. Bring up dividends. And as you can see, I already have a lot of pending dividends for April. But let's go ahead and jump into March. And as you can see for March, I have Pfizer at 36 cents, AGNC at 18 cents, Main Street Capital at 20 cents, Realty Income at 23 cents, Apple Hospitality REIT at 10 cents, Calamos Convertible 9 cents, Gladstone 41 cents, Gladstone Capital 14, and LTC Properties 19 cents. So those are all my dividends, which added up to $1.90, just a little bit shy of $2 for the month in dividends. Now, this is amazing, guys, because a lot of these companies pay monthly dividends, and we're talking every single month they're paying dividends to their shareholders. So the more dividends you have, like 6 shares here, it gets me a total of 41 cents every single month. Imagine if you had 60 shares or 600 shares. Now you'll be really making some money. Now I do have a bunch more pending here. You'll have to watch the next video in April to see how much dividends I actually made. And I'll tell you what, right now I'm up about $5 if I added all these up, and I haven't even got all of them for April yet. A lot of the monthly dividends won't even be in here, as you noticed. Gladstone, LTC, Apple, Realty Income Co. They're not even in April's projections yet, so I could be close to $7 to $8 realistically in dividends for April. So stick around for that video. As far as rewards goes, guys, you're more than welcome to sign up with my link. I've actually been thinking, because I actually met the $500 threshold. So thank you, Chantel W, for signing up with my link and starting your journey with Robinhood. I wish you all the best of luck. Someone did, Chantel W, or whoever you are, did sign up March 25th and joined. Unfortunately, I have met the $500 limit per person on free rewards. As you can see, I've gotten quite a few in the past, and they do add up quite fast. Now, there was a little bit of a glitch. I'm at about $175 in free shares, and for some reason Robinhood's saying that I reached the $500 threshold. So I did contact them, take some screenshots at all my rewards, added it up for them kindly, and got a hold of them. They responded back by simply saying to make sure my phone was updated and the Robinhood app was updated, and to turn the phone off, turn it back on, and that it should solve all my problems. Well, it didn't. So I sent another request to see what's going on. I do have a lot of pending free shares here from a lot of other people either waiting to finish their application process, or maybe they didn't link their bank account up, or they maybe wanted to do it and then just never did, broke their phone, lost it. But literally all these people here have signed up with my link, and I've reminded them to finish the process so that I'm able to receive those free shares and they're able to receive their free shares. I'm thinking that's probably what's keeping me held up right now. So as you can see, it says 0 shares of, and it was completed. And you know what? That's okay, because I've gotten many other shares. And if you guys want, I actually started a really cool thing where I'm going to replace my link right here with a lucky member of my audience. One of my subscribers, one of my faithful fans will be able to put their link underneath one of my videos for up to 30 days. Now, 30 days is a lot when you have some traffic like I do on this channel. I was receiving anywhere from 3 to 4 shares per month, and that could easily be your link getting those free shares. So if you want to do that, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below saying that you want to use your link under my video so that I can help you get more free shares. Now, if you want to do that, I don't want you guys to just put your links all over my comments. I want you guys to ask me, and if so, I'll somehow figure out a way to pick accordingly. Maybe I can put your names from the comments in like a hat and then draw one out on a live video, and you guys can see the live footage of me picking the winner, and then we'll do it either discreetly or through a comment or a message. Get your link, put it underneath one of my videos, and it'll be seen by everyone that watches it. So I thought that would be a cool thing to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I've been doing it for a little while. I know this is a little bit unorthodox, but I mean, honestly, guys, my portfolio doesn't lie. To be up almost 11% for the year is just amazing, starting from April 3rd. It's amazing how much that this can go up in a matter of a year. If this was sitting in a bank account, I'd only be getting like 1 to 3% per year, which is nothing. So it's amazing to be able to get this amount of money through dividends and just owning parts and pieces of companies that pay their shareholders 90% of their income. If you guys want to learn more about REITs, I got tons of videos on REITs. Put a link up here. I also have another video coming out shortly on some of the new REITs coming out, and I think you guys are going to be excited about that. So stick around. I haven't done a video in a while, guys, so I'm a little bit out of practice, but I'm hoping I can get back into a routine and start providing great content to you. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.